A very good morning, salam sejahtera and salam keluarga Malaysia du Doktor. My name is Quan, number matric A21B 3471. Now I would like to present the operation plan of AFT2083 operation management. Now I will start with the first part, which is company profile. This is our company logo, which is Solicious Bread. The nature of business, Solicious Bread is bread service that selling a product, roti, cabaret, and peanut. Solicious Bread provides the delicious and healthy bread for all ages. Our company is established to fulfill the specification of consumers' needs with providing the best delicious bread. Our company is trying to reduce costs and maximize the profit. Because try to set the standard selling price in order to gain more profits, it helps the demand for bread from customers increase. Our company provided the delivery to entire Malaysia. Our company using express delivery company for parcel delivery. Second, organizational structure. We have 7 positions in our company, which are NURIN, ATIQAH, HANIM, Binti as General Manager, followed by NURUL, NATASYA, Binti, AZIZ as Assistant Manager, SYAZWANI, Binti, MOHD, IAZON as Operation Manager, Nuraziema, Shahirah, Binti, Saidin as Human Resource Manager, Liang as Administration Manager, Singh as Marketing Manager, and lastly, Quan as Financial Manager. Third, product and services offer. Production of Solicious bread is roti, cabaret, and peanut. Our company is decided to produce the roti, cabaret, and peanut because the product doesn't exist in any market in Malaysia or outside Malaysia. Discount is given to customers who are apply for membership in our company through the application that developed by our company on mobile phone. Delivery service available such as cash on delivery, COD for customers living nearby, and express delivery for those customers living far away. Customers just need enter their application and order through it. For those customers enrolled in our company, 3% promotion is provided for all Touch and Go users.
My name is NATASYA Binti AZIZ. My matric number A20A1885. I want to present about design of goods and service. Design of goods and service are the main point to organizational to survive, and the good product are the key for them to success. Organization exists is to provide goods and service to society, or more preciously is to customers who want to buy from them to meet their satisfaction. Many companies target on core product only to more success, but they must continually hunt for new things to design, develop, and desire market. This is because most of the product have a limited and even predictable life cycle. Nonetheless, there are some challenges that our Solicious bread company have to face it, and every problem will have a solution to overcome them. Firstly, the problem that Solicious bread company have to face is the increasing price of production material. Production material, which raw material like eggs, flour, are our basic raw material to produce the product. When the government was informed the most of the price of production materials had increased, the causing our price product to rise indirectly. Therefore, the price increase is a challenge for our company, which has to spend more on production materials compared to before. From the problem that we have, we must to solve it by well managing production material. We will purchase the same raw material that we used before with other suppliers that can supply to us with price cheapest compared to previous supplier, and have a great quality to maintain our product quality. Moreover, we should be added the solution which we make better use of production materials and obtain limited stock in accordance with our company's needs, such as we will constantly check what ingredients are in short supply in our company and only order what we need from the manufacturer. This is because to avoid wastage in the manufacturing process occurs. To solve that problem, we make improvement of product design. Our business has the goal to make our bread seems attractive by using advanced manufacturing ingredient and equipment. Design improvement on goods like decorating the bread like bear with using chocolate chip and other ingredients to attract customer. Moreover, we using a unique flavor for bread compared to other business such as Cadbury and Peanut that our customer will easily get to know our business. Customers cannot ask for a discount price at the first place because our product are high quality and delicious that will satisfaction their needs, and if they want the lower cost, they will get the product that have a low quality.
Assalamualaikum. My name is SYAZWANI Binti Mama AZIZ, nama matric A20A1790. I will explain about managing quality for Solicious Bread Company. Quality management is the act of overseeing all activities and tasks that must be accomplished to maintain a desired level of excellence. There have some problems managing quality that Solicious Bread Company have to face. First, a complicated supply network. For example, record management. Each company has a large organization and many elements in the supply network. Thus, it becomes increasingly difficult for Solicious Bread Company to facilitate accountability for every product quality problem that arises because of the complex supply networks mentioned. The suggestion of this problem is customers should be contacted directly. Solicious Bread Company provide wide range of food alternatives to consumers directly, either formal or informal. So customer can experience and test for themselves whether it is quality or otherwise. Second, lacking motivation. The result of inadequate motivation that Solicious Bread Company might to face are lost productivity, higher staff turnover, reduced levels of engagement, and poor communication. The lacking motivation that staff get will make our quality of roti, Cadbury, and peanut product will get effect. Because of that, the suggestion of this problem is ensure that all stakeholders are self-motivated. Our Solicious Bread Company, top management and employees should be totally committed and organically driven to get the greatest possible result for our company. Besides, customers are not given enough attention. We always focus to our company product quality until we not really give enough attention to our customers. This can give a problem to our company if we cannot manage this well. The suggestion for this problem is maintain a customer-centric mindset. Solicious Bread Company must focus at maintain a customer loyalty to our product to make sure that quality of product is worth to sell. Next, quality policy of Solicious Bread Company is customers, goods, and service that can be agreed. The specification and price is the policy that Solicious Bread Company use. Besides, they have 3 steps of quality management principle, which is raw material. The materials that Solicious Bread Company use to make roti, Cadbury, and peanut are flour, yeast, water, sugar, egg, oil, ready-made peanut, food coloring, and salt. Solicious Bread Company choose the best quality of raw material to make the product have a high quality of roti, Cadbury, and peanut product. Next, process control. To make sure that Solicious Bread Company has a good process control, is we've used the hazard analysis critical control point approach. This to make sure that our product is safe for everyone to eat. Lastly, finished product inspection. They have some testing method that Solicious Bread Company like microbiological testing and internal tester. This tester will make our quality is in a safe for everyone to eat.
Hi sir, I am Nuraziema Shahirah Binti Saidin, matrix number A20A1812. So, I will present my part, which is process and capacity design. So, the objective of process strategy is to create a process to produce offering that meet customer requirement within cost and other managerial constraints. So, there are 4 process strategy in process and capacity design. First, process focus. Second, repetitive focus. Third, product focus. And the last one, mass customization focus strategy. So, Solicious Bread had used product focus as its process strategy. This is because bread Solicious breed is focused on one product only, which is Cadbury and peanut bread. Solicious breed also produce high volume of bread but low variety. High volume and low variety process are product focused and also called continuous process because they have very long continuous production run. The facilities in this process strategy are organized around product. The specialized nature of the facility requires high fixed cost but low variable cost reward high facility utilization. So, the problem in process and capacity design of solicious breed are non-flexible workforce. The employee may not have capability of doing many tasks. As example, the employee who work at baking area cannot do the first process in our product making, which is make the dough by combining all the raw materials in the right quantity so that the dough does not become too hard or too soft. So, suggestion on problem of solicious breed in process and it suggestion on problem of solicious breed in its process and capacity design is eliminate the remote working. The employee must be together in one productivity place so they can see how to do things outside of their job. For example, the worker at Solicious breed must be together in one place so that if something happen like a baking section worker doesn't come to work, they can carry out that worker's work and the manufacturing process won't be delayed. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum guys and sejahtera. My name is NURIN HANIM di TALHAH, Nometry A208126. I will explain about location strategy. For the first location strategy that we need to know is location, our business location needed to close to customer. Business need to be close to an area with a large and extensive customer population. Uh, in that way, a customer will have information and know about peanut and Cadbury flavor bread products. And customer also can come to buy the product physically. The second location strategy is we can provide employment opportunities to communities close to the area of business operation. Business are able to find the talent and skill of employee who are able to add value to the business to compete with other business. The next location strategy is we must have also access to the logistic area such as Post Laju, GNT Express to facilitate and expedite the process of delivery of finished product to customer. It is important because of product delivery service can provide a good response from customer. As a result, the customer will be satisfied with the service provided and may become regular customer or will buy more about our product, peanut and Cadbury flavor bread products. The next location strategy is we need to be close to supplier of raw materials such as a supplier of eggs, flour, yeast, bean seasoning and Cadbury chocolate. Product manufacturing location that are far away from supplier have an impact on the time, quality and quantity of the product production. The next strategy is consider about cost, infrastructure and government. Uh, the first one, we need to consider about the cost, production cost, overhead cost, material cost and so on. If the expenditure of a business exceed the net profit then the business will incur a loss. For the next one, we need to consider about the infrastructure. We need to have a good infrastructure equipment such as road, water supply, power station, broadband network, Wi-Fi service near to the plan of facility or a business. The next one is we need to consider also about government. Government factor like as a situation in terms of politics, culture and economy. The next one is legal consideration. We must be aware of legal considerations such as the sort of item or the offer, the population and the client base, as well as accessibility, feasibility, and traffic signal zoning, planning, and additional lesson. For example, in Malaysia, who are majority is a Muslim customer, we need to consider to take a JAKIM or halal logo also and listen also. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Lim and my metric number is A20A1424. Now I'm going to present about the layout strategy. The picture below is showing our Solicious Freight Company layout strategy. We can see that there are storeroom, kitchen, dining area, and our meeting room. I'm going to explain about the advantages of product layout. First advantage of product layout is low cost of material handling. It is because the machine and equipment are arranged in sequence, so they are not backtracking. And next advantage is smooth and continuous operations. The company productions process is essential, so the potential of output pausing at several product stages is avoided. As a result, the process of the production will run smoothly. And the third advantage is lesser work in progress. The Solicious break production is continuous and uninterrupted, so there may no or less work in progress. And the last advantage is optimum space utilization. When all the machines in Solicious break companies operations are arranged in a cohesive manner, the available space may be utilized efficiently. Next is the process layout. First of all, we need to prepare the ingredients. Next, we need to mix the ingredients and become dough. Next, we need to bake the dough, and then the roti candy and peanut will perfectly break after a few minutes. After that, we need to pack the roti and serve to customer. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Anja Singh. My non-metric is A20A1267. Now I'm going to introduce our inventory management. In our inventory management, you have faced some challenges and we also have prepared a solution to solve this challenge. The first challenge is customer demand. The demand of customers are constantly changing may cause the unsuitable product and waste. The solution to this challenge is using the customer demand forecasting tool. We will collect feedback from each customer in order to calculate the best store schedule based on the changing demand and material availability. The second challenge is efficient processes. Our machine normally is manual and it may easily cause the data loss. The solution to this challenge is implement paperless. We will use the software instead for the manual inventory document, invoice, and purchase order. The third challenge is warehouse space. Too many goods in our warehouse may cause the space is not enough for the new goods based on. Our solution is need to prevention and control. We may use an inventory control system to control the amount of the goods to ensure that the space is enough for the new goods. The last challenge is competition. Our business is hard to competitive with a big company. The one way for us to solve this challenge is we need to improve the service level to protect our customer interest and trust in our product. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next, I'm going to talk about the scheduling. Scheduling is the prescribing of where and which if of the following operation required to make products that are to be accomplished. The main goal of scheduling is to schedule the sequence of work so that the operation productions may be planned in a consistent way to guarantee that all products can be complete on the time. It's about the scheduling problems and way to handle. First problem is shift swapping. To solve the problem, we can create a schedule application that like Google Drive that shift on a track. The next problem is shortage of the staff. We can solve the problem by interview and hire the new staff, but we also can close the staffing gaps by organizing staff more effectively. The third problem is disorganization. We need to use employee management software to schedule the work. and we need to train and practice the staff. The next problem is illness. Illness cannot be prevented, so we need to create a schedule especially for sick employees so we can do replacement. And the last problem that may be faced was overtime. To solve the problem, we need to monitor the working hours of the staff, and we need to set the limit of the maximum hours for staff so that there are no staff that work overtime without the legal knowledge and permission. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I'm going to introduce the maintenance management. In our maintenance management, we also have faced some challenges, and our solution to solve this challenge is using a computer maintenance management software. The first challenge is unexpected maintenance. An unexpected breakdown of our machinery or equipment may increase the produce time. By using this software, we can schedule maintenance daily, weekly, or monthly, and we don't worry about the schedule. This software allows the maintenance reminder to be set. The second challenge is unplanned maintenance. Too much maintenance time will slow down productions and have an effect on our business. As just mentioned, this software is help to set maintenance reminder. Therefore, the probability of machinery failure will be decreased. The last challenge is manual process. A failure of a single component may cause the entire machine to fail, and our employee probability of repeating mistake will be increased as the manual process is used more frequently. By using this software, our store will be able to eliminate manual processes and automate them without sacrificing accuracy. That's all from me. Thank you.
Conclusion. The benefit of maintenance is it can protect the capabilities of system. Variability can be reduced by good maintenance. Failure of equipment can cause workers damage. So equipment is kept in good condition with adequate and routine maintenance, which decreases the risk of workplace injuries. It can also be argued that the organization wants an efficient supply chain to minimize operational costs and attract customers for a long time. That's all for today. Thank you.